Installing new pallet arms on the ROQ automatic screen printing press. This process requires specialty tools that only ROQ technicians have. To ensure precise calibration, we must make sure all pallet arms are directly centered, leveled, and must be a specific distance from the printhead profile. Without specific steps being followed in exact order, the entire calibration process would fail. Always make sure you have a certified ROQ technician install your pallet arms. For more insightful tips and to have all your questions answered, please visit ROQ.us or call 187-ROCKET now. That's 877-674-8669. Your ROQ team is standing by to help you press onward. Thank you for the opportunity to be your partner in print.